The thing about change is that you can count on it. The energy transition is already underway, as is the push towards a carbon-neutral process industry. As a result, new energy sources and manufacturing processes are being introduced in the market at an increasing rate. All this can leave you wondering, what will the operating environments and materials of tomorrow look like? VTT ProperScan helps you understand tomorrow's materials performance requirements and get ready for the change. We evaluate, test and validate how different materials behave in different conditions so that you can make smart investment decisions. Together, we can optimize your assets' lifecycle management, cost and performance. Here's how we do it. We start by testing the mechanical properties of the component or material and examine the influence of hydrogen on the fatigue behavior of the piece, for example. Next stop on the validation journey can be, for example, a high-temperature laboratory to determine characteristics such as corrosion behavior. And finally, we use microscopic imaging to ensure that the material we recommend best suits your operating environment, performance criteria, and budget. Make smart material decisions and avoid costly failures and shutdowns with VTT ProperScan.